Discuss LeetCode problem number 314, binary tree vertical order traversal. But before we discuss, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I have added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now back to the problem, binary tree vertical order traversal. So you need to traverse as if it's like there are vertical lines here, like the first one is 9 and then 315 and then 20 and then 7. So that's how it's like sort of like columns kind of thing, and you need to pick the columns. Given a root of the binary tree, let's look at the definition. Given a root of a binary tree, return the vertical order traversal of its nodes values from its top to bottom, column to column. If two nodes are in the same row and column, the order should be from left to right. So let's take a look at the solution. I call this as BFS with column map pattern. That's what we do. It's a So if this is the resultant vector, and if root is null, then we return the empty vector. We have this column table map, which we will use for basically like this is the column number and this is the set of nodes, vector of nodes in that column. And so we use the queue and then push the root, standard BFS logic. While queue is not empty, you pop the front node and then get the data, the node and the column. That's what it is stored here in the queue, and then you push for the current column, you push the current node, and then if there is a left node, and then you push the left node with the column as column -1, and then similarly for right, column +1. So you loop this one, and then you accumulate all the nodes along the columns, and then you loop through that map, and then you push back nodes. You get the column and then nodes, and then you push. Since it is not a unordered map, so you get in the proper sorted order. So let's take a look at this same example we saw in LeetCode, starting BFS at node 3 at column 0. Root is always at column 0. Then processing node at 3 at column 0, and then inserted node 3 into column 0. I think it's duplicate kind of thing there. Node 3 has a left child line moving to column -1, so -1, and then node 3 has a child 20 on column 1. So for when you start the current node column, if you go left it is -1, if you go right it is +1. Processing node 9 at column 1, and processing node 20 at column 1, and then the left child at column 0. See, it was at 1, so if you go left it decrements and then it becomes 1, and then 7 becomes at column 2, and so you keep doing that, and then you get, and then as you iterate, column -1 has 1 node 9, 0 has 315, 1 has 20, and 2 has 7. So this is the final vertical order traversal. That's it. Comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.